proximity. I get it. The silence, the uncertainty, it all seems to swell more, hurts deeper. The needing to reminisce on high fives, hugs, and the occasional side eyes. Sitting in malaise or content for the break. I'm still trying to love how to breathe in the same air. Yeah, I know. I miss you too. I want to bump past, brush by, shimmy through. I want to cruise. See you soon. Soon. The monotony wishing for traffic jams and the cacophonous disruption. It's funny how this distance makes us more social. Force our bodies to be still. Now our minds wander. Zoom for glances, second chances, and laughter. Virtually fulfilling, exhausting the hours so that we don't have to face time. I want to remember. I want to witness your laugh IRL. Remember that one time when we... Yeah. This sucks most days. Feels like jail. Others doubt in the morning and worry at night. Then it feels perfect, introspective, necessary even. The different faces are revealed at home behind the mask. When doors close, we peel back the cloak to see the mirror, to see the virus, to see what aches, to see what can't be avoided. Forced to feel the wounds and made to apply the Band-Aid alone. But you're not. We're not. A lone casualty is a collective experience. We're all here in this together. If we're willing to be here for all of us together. When all this is over, when the sickened wind is healed, when the breath no longer fears finality, when the humans of the earth sit still long enough for nature to detox, we will embrace the tear-stuffed sleeves, soaked enough to rain, clouding all worrisome thoughts. We'd never get back to this place. Hold space. Make space, respect space here. This won't. This can't be like it was. We have to close the gap, letting the virus in, shift and create so that we may move the toxins out. Thank you.